New Year's 2021 setup. Getting ready for a little show I'm going to do tonight. I'm going to do a weigh-in here of some shells. Excalibur. I'm going to weigh a 6 sleeve of them. 45, 7, 2, 4, 2. I'm gonna weigh a sleeve of Growler. Gonna weigh some Unabombers here. Weigh a sleeve of Unabombers. 5-inch shell. $158. All right. A little sneak peek of what I'm hoping to get sent up tonight. Got 24 angle racks, glow tube fiberglass rack, couple 12 shotters. Got my KJS Insano style racks here. He's the one that finally tied me into doing these. I was always against these, making racks out of these fiberglass. So I'm gonna give it a shot. And I actually got 30 in here. I made 2 of these. And I was able to cram 30 of these fiberglass tubes that come with the shells in a milk crate. I didn't put any wood in there like you had, KJ, but yeah, hopefully it works out pretty good and tight, not too loose. And then also I made this. I thought this would be pretty cool. Never had one, and I was like, oh, I need a rack for demoing off the little mini cans. So made that little rack sit up there out of some scrap wood. So thought that'd be fun. 25 HDPEs fit perfectly in a milk crate. No wood. Just 2 cake boards. Nothing special. The weather's teetering on raining. So it looks like it's going to be raining later. So I'm going to try and do it earlier, but back at the beginning of the week when I started setting up, it was going to be raining. So, and it's sounding like it's going to be raining for a lot of you pyros out there all over the country. Kind of a bummer. I hope you guys are able to get what you can lit off. So, yep, it's pretty much what I'm hoping to be able to light. Kind of a lot. Taking a little more just in case, and just wanted to be ready for anything. All right, stay safe.